In front of me is VIVO Y22S, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this VIVO. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on security section. After that, scroll down again, tap on face and enter your current login method. Then follow all of those instructions, click on OK and wait for 100% mark. Remember to keep your face in frame. When you're ready, select OK and tap on all of those switchers next to all of those features to manage them. So now when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. In order to delete your face data, tap on face in security settings, enter your login method and scroll all the way down. Then click on clear facial data and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!